Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to set up a Google Meeting quickly and easily. So let's get started. Firstly, open Google Chrome. Now you will search for Google Meet. Here you will see new meeting. Click on it and select start an instant meeting. Now the meeting will be created successfully. You will copy the details, copy link and share it to your groups or email. Participant can click the link to join. That's it, your Google Meeting is live. Now the second method is schedule a Google Meeting using Google Calendar. To this we are into Google Calendar. Open Google Calendar. Now we will select the month view. Today is 23rd. I will schedule a meeting for 26th of Feb. Click on 26th. Here you will see add title and time. Here we'll type meet, then add guest, adding by email, or then add Google Meet video conferencing, then save. Now you will see 26 is booked for Google Meet. If you want to share the link, you can share link by this, or if you want to join you, then join with Google Meet. Then click on join now. You will be instantly join the meeting. And that's it, how you set up a Google Meeting on desktop. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.